Is your mind constantly racing, or perhaps you're feeling stressed, overwhelmed or anxious, or even having trouble getting to sleep right now? If this is you, you've come to the right place. I'm Simone. I'm going to be taking you through a simple mindfulness-based body scan meditation. All you need is yourself and a few moments of your time. So I invite you can do this practice seated or lying down. It's really up to you. So get yourself into a comfortable position. And if you like, you can choose to close the eyes if that feels safe, if it feels comfortable for you. If eyes closed isn't an option, then you can always just cast your eyes down, or perhaps cast your gaze to something in front of you. Just allow yourself, wherever you are, to settle in and get comfortable. And it's your moment now, if you do choose to close down the eyes, to do that. Just keeping in mind, as we do this body scan meditation, we're not trying to stop or change thoughts. It's my number one tip before we start. And as we start together, let's just spend a few moments, perhaps taking a couple of deeper breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. Another breath in through the nose and out through the mouth. Allow the breath to settle now, and just to return to a natural rhythm, not trying to change it or fix it or alter it in any way. Your hands may be wherever they feel comfortable. They might be resting in your lap if you're seated, or perhaps lying beside your side with the palms up if you're lying. The body scan meditation is about bringing awareness, bringing our attention gently to different areas of the body, moving through the body. So I'm going to get you to bring your attention, your focus now to the feet, the soles of the feet, and just notice, if you are seated, that sensation of the feet in contact with the ground. If you're lying, just noticing the feet, the toes, and just noticing any sensations, any discomfort or tension. Just noticing for a moment the feet, the toes, the soles of the feet, the ankles. We're just bringing our attention here, not judging our experience in any way, but we're just noticing, a bit like a curious scientist. Slowly and gently bringing your awareness now to the lower legs, the back of the legs, the calf muscles, the front, the legs, the shins. Any tension, any discomfort, any other sensations, perhaps clothing, tingling, whatever it might be that you're experiencing in the body. And bringing your awareness now to the knees, the backs of the knees, the front of the knees. Spending a few moments noticing sensations here. Your mind may drift at different times during this practice. Please know it's completely normal. It's what the mind does. There's no point beating yourself up or getting frustrated. Just acknowledge the mind is doing its thing. It's what it's meant to do. My mind's currently paying some attention to a plane I can hear outside. So the opportunity, when you notice the mind has drifted, is to bring it back to the meditation, so back to the focus of the sensations of the body. So I invite you now to become more aware of the sensations in the upper legs, so the thighs, the hamstrings at the back of the upper legs, the front of the upper legs. Just noticing sensations that are present here. Again, it could be tension, discomfort. It might be just noticing the warmth of the clothing or the sensation and texture of clothing. Gently bringing your awareness now to the hips and the pelvis. And just noticing whether you're seated or lying down, the sensation of the weight through the sit bones or the hips and the buttocks. Just noticing sensations here, the hips, the pelvis. You're moving your awareness now gently up to the tummy, the lower tummy. Noticing sensations here. Noticing sensations, the lower back. So you move your awareness slowly, mindfully up the spine to the mid-back. Noticing sensations in the upper tummy, the ribs, the chest. Moving your awareness to the upper back, the neck, the shoulders. Noticing now the sensations of the right arm, the upper arm, all the way down to the elbow, the forearm, the wrist, the fingers, the thumb, the palm of the hand of the right hand. Noticing any sensations here. Any tingling, any discomfort or tension, any sensations. Not judging them, just noticing, observing like a curious scientist. Moving your attention now back up to the left shoulder and down the left upper arm to the elbow, the left forearm, the left wrist, the fingers, the palm, the thumb, the left hand. Noticing the sensations here. Just noticing the sensations now in the arms. As you start to shift your awareness gently to the neck, the back of the neck, perhaps you can feel the sensation of hair on the back of the neck or the lack of hair. Perhaps you can feel a gentle breeze on the neck. Bringing your awareness to the throat and the chin, and slowly bringing your awareness to the face, the cheeks, the mouth, the tongue in the mouth, the jaw, the eyes and nose, the eyelids, even noticing any suggestion of light coming through the eyelids if the eyes are closed, the weight of the eyelids, again any sensations in the face, the forehead, the ears, the crown of the head, the back of the head. Noticing any sensations here. Breathing naturally, not shifting or changing the breath. I now invite you to get a sense of the entire body as it is, whether it's sitting or lying. Just gently allow your attention to scan the body, noticing any areas that call for your attention, and just exploring the different sensations in the body, from the feet all the way up to the tip of the head, the crown of the head. Noticing the chest rising and falling with the breath. Just noticing any sensations arising. Noticing if thoughts arise or the mind wanders. To just gently bring it back to the body. To noticing the sensations in the body. Noticing that rise and fall of the chest with each breath. And I invite you now to become more aware of your surroundings. So to expand your awareness out from the body. Noticing if there's any sounds that you hear beyond my voice. You might be swallowing a few times and noticing any sensations in the throat, or even any tastes in the mouth as you swallow. And then slowly, whenever you're feeling ready, you might like to press the balls of the feet into the ground and lift the heels if you are seated. Or if you're lying down, it might be pointing and flexing the feet, the toes. So bringing the toes closer towards your body and then pointing them away. Just starting to bring a little gentle movement back as we come back. Noticing any light peeking through the eyelids as we start to slowly blink open the eyes, coming back into this moment. Perhaps it is a nice breath in and out, or perhaps if you'd like to do a sigh like I just did, we can do one together. So taking one last deep breath in and a nice sigh. And an exhalation through the mouth. I don't know, I always find it nice to stretch after a meditation, so you may like to as well, just gently raise the arms or stretch out. You might like to just make small, gentle circles with the shoulders, or just turning your head from side to side. Just coming back into your body, into this moment now. Grounding yourself after that meditation. So in just a few moments of your day, you've been able to pause, to take this time for yourself to create more calm and peace in your life. If you've enjoyed this practice, subscribe to the channel and hit the like button. It really helps me to spread these practices with more people who need them. And also consider leaving me a comment. How do you feel after that simple body scan mindfulness meditation practice? Thank you for practicing with me. Even though I might be guiding you through, I also come away feeling much calmer, much more present, and just have this general sense of peace. So really, really grateful for you being here till the end if you're still here. And I hope that you'll join me again soon.